Hello everyone, in this video we have been given log x base 9 equal log y base 12 equal log x plus y base 16. Now we are going to find the value of under root of 14 minus 6 root 5 into y square divided by x square. Answer: let log x base 9 equal log y base 12 equal log x plus y base 16 equal k. Then log x base 9 equal k. Then x equal 9 to the power k log y base 12 equal k. Then y equal 12 to the power k log x plus y base 16 equal k. Then x plus y equal 16 to the power k. X equal 9 to the power k. Y equal 12 to the power k. Then 9 to the power k plus 12 to the power k equal 16 to the power k. Then 9 to the power k plus 12 to the power k minus 16 to the power k equal 0. 9 equal 3 square whole to the power k plus 12 equal 2 square into 3 whole to the power k minus 16 equal 2 to the power 4 whole to the power k equal 0. X to the power m whole to the power n equal x to the power mn equal x to the power n whole to the power m. Then 3 to the power k whole to the power 2 plus 3 to the power k into 2 to the power 2k minus 2 to the power 4k equal 0. Putting 3 to the power k equal p. Then p square plus 2 to the power 2k into p minus 2 to the power 4k equal 0. Then p equal minus 2 to the power 2k plus minus root 2 to the power 2k whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2 to the power 4k divided by 2 into 1. Then P equal minus 2 to the power 2k plus minus root 2 to the power 4k plus 4 into 2 to the power 4k divided by 2. Then P equal minus 2 to the power 2k plus minus root 5 into 2 to the power 4k divided by 2. Then P equal minus 2 to the power 2k plus minus 2 to the power 2k into root 5 divided by 2. P equal 3 to the power k cannot be negative. Then P equal minus 2 to the power 2k plus 2 to the power 2k into root 5 divided by 2. Then P equal 2 to the power 2k common, then 2 to the power 2k into root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Here y divided by x equal 12 to the power k divided by 9 to the power k equal 12 equal 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power k divided by 9 equal 3 to the power 2 to the power k, then equal 2 to the power 2k into 3 to the power k divided by 3 to the power 2k, then equal 2 to the power 2k into 3 to the power k divided by 3 to the power 2k equal 3 to the power k into 3 to the power k. 3 to the power k, 3 to the power k cancel. Then equal 2 to the power 2k divided by 3 to the power k. Then equal 2 to the power 2k divided by p. Then equal 2 to the power 2k divided by 2 to the power 2k into root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. 2 to the power 2k, 2 to the power 2k cancel. Then equal 1 divided by root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Then equal 2 divided by root 5 minus 1. Multiplying root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1. Then equal 2 into root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. Then equal 2 into root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 whole square minus 1 whole square. Then equal 2 into √5 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 1, then equal 2 into √5 plus 1 divided by 4 equal √5 plus 1 divided by 2, then y divided by x equal √5 plus 1 divided by 2, then y square divided by x square equal y divided by x whole square, then equal √5 plus 1 divided by 2 whole square, then equal √5 plus 1 whole square divided by 4. A plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square, then equal √5 whole square plus 2 into √5 into 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 4, then equal 5 plus 2√5 plus 1 divided by 4, then equal 6 plus 2√5 divided by 4, then equal 2 common 2 into 3 plus √5 divided by 4, then equal 2 into 3 plus √5 divided by 4 equal 2 into 2, 2 cancel, then equal 3 plus √5 divided by 2, then y square divided by x square equal 3 plus √5 divided by 2, again under root of 14 minus 6√5 equal under root of 14 equal 9 plus 5 minus 6√5 equal under root of 9 equal 3 whole square plus 5 equal √5 whole square minus 2 into 3 into √5 a minus b whole square equal a square plus b square minus 2ab, then equal under root of 3 minus √5 whole square, then equal 3 minus √5, then under root of 14 minus 6√5 equal 3 minus √5, Therefore, under root of 14 minus 6 root 5 into y square divided by x square equal 3 minus root 5 into 3 plus root 5 divided by 2, then equal 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square divided by 2 equal 9 minus 5 divided by 2, then equal 4 divided by 2, then equal 2 under root of 14 minus 6 root 5 into y square divided by x square equal 2. Thus, our answer under root of 14 minus 6 root 5 into y square divided by x square equal 2.